Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In the last video, we have seen about borders in CSS. In this video, we are going to learn about margins in CSS. So let's go to Visual Studio. Create a new project and select ASP.NET Core Web Application with Razor Pages and name this here CSS tutorials margins I'm giving. So click next. And the framework is .NET 8.0 here, and you can click create. So if you didn't have a .NET 8.0, no problem, you can continue with your having version, even though it is old also no problem. So our solution is here. You will be having inbuilt pages. So here you will be having shared layout page is there, and here you will be having www root, so that you can play if you want any images you can place here, or else any CSS code you can write in the separate CSS file. So I am giving here, I'm adding a separate HTML page. Click a separate razor page. So this is .NET Core, so it is having razor pages, so add one razor page with empty. So it will be asking for name. I am giving here margins, margin. So margins I have given. So click add. So our page is added here. So if you run this, you will be giving the image will be just a minute. I will save the solution and I am running for you, so that I can see how the page is default page we will be getting. So this is the default page we will get. Home and privacy, this is the default page, but I would like to add our page margin here. So stop the application. You have added margins. So here I will add one div. So this is the div section. So for this page I am giving h1. Welcome to CSS tutorials. Save it, and once go to layout page. So in the layout page we have seen in the page index and privacy is, which is nothing but index.cshtml in home, and privacy page, if you click the link home you will get the home page index.cshtml, which is here. So and privacy is here. So if you click home you will get index, and if you click privacy you will get this privacy page. So I want to add our page margin page. Go to layout, just copy this and paste here and rename the privacy with margin. So this is the hyperlink name, you can rename it with margins. So this ASP page we have to mention. So what is our ASP page here? Margins. What? Margins. This is our ASP page. So you have to mention margins here. So I'm giving margins. So I'm saving this and I'm running once to show you the margin page. So in this you will see how the page will be giving margins. We will see how to give some margins here. So this is the margin link. I have made changes in layout page. So this we added, and under the margin page we added this content. So stop the application and we will see how margins are set for our margins HTML page. For time being I have added in notepad, so I'm copying that h2 margins and I'm copying this content for paragraph. So I added the content. So I'm running again. Let's see the content, how it looks. So we have to go to margins, click the margins. See, this is the our content in the margins. So we have created one page. So one div section we have created in the margins page. So we have to give some margins for this. So for that we have to add styling. So place one class my div and write the styling here. So I will give some border here. So for styling we have to add style tag, and here we have to mention one class my div. So in this we will apply this class to our div. So here I am giving border so that we can identify easily. So here give the class name, class equal class name is my div. Save it and run this. So this is the div we are having. So I have given border for this so that easily we can identify the margins, and right margin, left margin, top and bottom one. So here now I will give margins. So observe carefully here. I'm giving some color also, background color, so gold. Now I will give margin, left margin I will give. So for giving left margin we will mention like margin left. So this is what we have to mention for left margin. So I want a left margin like about 100 pixels. Save it and run. You can check how our div is differed from compared to previous one. So go to margin, see here this div section is shifted towards right. Like how much it is shifted? 100 pixels. If you see this, it is shifted to 100 pixels. So if you give some right margin, if you want right margin like it 400 pixels, save it, run again. Check now, go to margin, see here, if you observe this much of space we got on the right side, which means this div section is moved little bit, like this much of space it is moved, so which is nothing but right margin. So what is this? This is left margin. So if you want bottom margin, if you want bottom also we can give, and also if you want top margin also we can give. How it is? We'll check now. Stop the application. Margin top, so I am giving 50 pixels, and margin bottom, I will give, this is also 50 pixels. Save it, run again. Now we will check now, go to margins page, see here, you can see top margin and you can see bottom margin. So this is how margins can be set in your HTML page for particular div sections. So thank you for watching. Please like this video if you think this is useful for you, and please share with your friends. For more videos or for the playlists, you can check our channel playlists. So thanks for now. I will come back with you the next topic. So thank you very much for watching.